Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Maisha as usual, and I'm here with another hotel room tour. I'm actually at the HYATT ZILARA in Rose Hall, Montego Bay. A beautiful hotel. I just checked in, my room is ready, so let's see inside. So I'm very excited about this room. As soon as I came in, I felt like I could do cartwheels. But let me say no more and just take you on the tour. I want to first of all bring your attention to this door. I'm here for the details. Love it. As soon as you enter the room, to your left, there is this art piece here and a bit of ceiling lighting. In this corridor, as you enter, there are these sleek wooden looking doors. This one is a sliding door that leads to the bathroom. To my right, there is a full-length mirror. The room has at least 2 full-length mirrors, and I'm not mad at it. Believe it or not, this is the closet. And I love that there are no handles. There are these grooves, so you just pull it. When you open the door, the light automatically comes on, and there are these string lights at the top of the closet. Of course, you have your safe. And then on the other side of the closet, there is the iron and the ironing board. They provide an umbrella, and then of course the area to keep your luggage and hang up your clothes and stuff, and some additional storage space on top of the light there. So that's the closet, very spacious. And we're walking into the room. I just love how spacious and big this room is. I am in love. Look at this mirror. Like, you can't have enough mirrors in a room. So there's this one, and there's the one in the entrance. Here is what looks like a workstation, not the typical workstation. I love how they did it. And then the chair with the bamboo seating. I love that. Very tastefully done. Talking about the details, I want to show you guys these little things. Ooh! Bam! You can hang stuff on it, and you have about 4 of them. Isn't that cool? 3 of them. Very thoughtful, very thoughtful. It's the details. Let's go into the room and take a look at the king size bed, which looks comfortable. Then you have a lamp to one side of the bed with your little tablet where you can, I think, place orders and look at the restaurant opening times and other stuff that are available at the hotel. I love this lighting fixture, very modern again. I love the ceiling lighting. The only piece of art besides the one in the doorway, and it is perfect for the space. I love the tones, I love the tan, I love the color scheme. The lighting above the TV adds a nice touch. Yeah? There is a mini bar in the room, and I love that they hid it in this little cupboard that they've created. Yeah, the mini bar, by the way, is not stocked. They don't stock it because, you know, of COVID-19 protocols. However, if you do want to get some beverages and stuff, you can just call room service or call Zero, and they'll come and bring the stuff for you. Yeah, so it doesn't come stocked, but you can get the stuff that you need by just making a call. Yeah, like, thank you. All of this, I actually had to pause because while I was filming this room tour, room service knocked on my door and came with the amenities for the minibar. So I didn't actually have to call them, which is pretty cool. Someone just came and delivered the stuff, shopping bag full. This is a view of the room from this angle, and there's not a lot of things in here, but I think it is perfect. It's like less is more. I love that center table, you know, really modern looking type of thing. And then there's a sofa bed and a chair to go with that, and the lamp also is looking modern. And that is the bedroom. You guys can tell me what you think, but I think this is a nice room. Spacious, clean, you know, everything you need. So let's take a look at the bathroom. That is actually a sliding door, so we can actually slide that door open and we will see the bathroom in a sec. So we have a sexy looking bathtub. Very nice. All the towels and the rags that we need. There is a hair dryer here, sufficient soaps and other amenities, your package with your hand sanitizer, etc. in here, which I always appreciate. And then of course your vanity mirror, his and hers sink, double sink, and your lit mirrors. Yeah, and then some storage space in the middle here. I love that everything is all brown and beige and taupe and tan and nude. I love the tiling, it's very simple and it adds quite a bit of detail with the little brown strokes. I love that, you know. The bathtub is very inviting. Very inviting. I think I'm gonna take a bath tonight, which I don't usually do when I go to hotels, by the way, because I'm paranoid and, you know, germs. But I think I might take a bath tonight. And then of course there's a stool where you can sit here in the bathroom and some fixtures to hang up your towel and stuff. And this shower, love that. Spacious. I feel like 4 people can hold in here comfortably. And of course my favorite, the rain shower head. All right, can't go wrong with that. When we walked in to the room, there was a door that leads to the bathroom, which is also a sliding door, which you can't really tell because you don't see a handle from outside, which I love. Again, it's the details for me. And the toilet is in a separate area here. I love the black and white, or gray and white, I don't know what color that is. Triangular patterns in the back there, and then there's some storage space here as well. All right, pretty simple. And of course the sanitization seal is there. There was also one at the door when we entered the room. So again, this is the bathroom from a different angle, and his and her sink and towels and stuff. Oh, and there's a scale. There's a scale down there. Yeah, so if you want to check your weight, I don't know why you would want to do that to yourself, but if you want to check your weight, there is a scale. So we can close off the bathroom from the bedroom and also from the entrance. If you're in the shower and somehow room service decides to walk in on you, hopefully that doesn't happen, hopefully that never happens, you can just keep this door closed and you should be safe and not exposed. All right, so that's the bathroom, guys. You can tell me what you think about it, but I really am enjoying this room, this hotel room and bathroom. Now, you know my favorite part of any hotel room is the balcony, so let's go take a look. You guys know I love a good balcony view, and I gotta say the HYATT ZILARA came through. My view is exactly what I need. The beach, the poolside, the trees, it's beautiful, amazing, and it's such lovely weather today. You can see the grounds of the hotel look very aesthetic. My balcony has a table and chair, you know, if you want to sit outside and have some coffee or tea in the morning or in the late afternoon. And also a big lounge chair where you can just sit and chill and people watch and take in the sea breeze and just relax. I love this balcony, love this room, and love this view. Amazing. So that's the room tour, guys, at the HYATT ZILARA, Rose Hall, Montego Bay Hopefully you would have seen my solo staycation vlog, which I would have posted before this video. So if you haven't yet seen it, go ahead and check that out, and you will see a little bit of the experience that I had while I was here. The full hotel review is coming soon, right after this video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching as usual, guys. Any comments, any questions you may have, feel free to leave them in the comment section. That's exactly why I'm here, not just to share my experience with you, but also to help you to make your decision when you decide to go on vacation, or if you live in Jamaica, when you decide to go on a staycation. Yeah, I'll answer as much as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.